If your pump is leaking water and the seals have been changed or checked out okay, then there may be an issue in your air blower line. This air line contains a non-return valve in the spa liner. The manufacturer will tell you it is normal for this to leak, but we do not believe this should be the case. To confirm water is coming from the airline and pooling under your pump, you must disconnect line A between the spa and the Airjet heater pump. If water is coming out of the airline like this, then the non-return valve in the spa liner has failed. The non-return valve is to prevent water flowing back into the pump. We confirmed the leak was from the airline after applying the cap that was supplied from the manufacturer. Now we will install the lazy seal in the airline. This is the lazy seal, which requires no tools to install. The lazy seal fits snugly into the airline pipe, and the coupling between the spa and the Airjet heater pump is then closed. This will push in the seal around the O-ring, creating a watertight seal. We can back off the coupling to confirm the lazy seal has pulled into place and has now created a watertight seal in the airline. The factory non-return valve, which had failed, is now replaced by the lazy seal. With the lazy seal installed, we have stopped water flowing back into the Airjet pump. With the air turned on, we can see that the bubbles produced in the spa have not been impacted.